Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Team Taco. I'm Jay.
I'm Steph.
And today we are at the San Bernardino Museum.
Woo!
Gonna check it out. Haven't been here in a while because of COVID.
Yep.
So come with us.
There's a big old fish trap. You probably still wouldn't be able to catch anything.
Yeah, probably. It's a bunch of mud and gunk.
Think you'd be able to shoot that bow?
Wow, look at that. I wonder what kind of force that has. Because it is just a piece of wood.
Look at the way they put the line, string, whatever. They carved the notch on the side. What they used before bows.
Like a sling?
It was a throwing stick with a notch at the end, and it increased the speed and distance of a dart.
Oh wow. That's crazy. It looks marbleized.
Did they polish it?
Don't know.
I like this one. This one's pretty.
I like this big one here.
That one looks like the inside of a rock. Go to the Hall of History. We're gonna step back in time. You gotta turn in a circle.
But you're going the wrong way. You're going forward. Does it feel like you're falling?
Oh, that makes me dizzy.
Here, this is more your size here.
Right there?
That's more your size.
This is a Mexican California. Right there. Two-wheeled cart called a carreta. Carried grain, food, hides, hay, firewood, and building materials.
And roosters and grapes.
Look at it. This is Maria Armenta Bermudez used a carreta to haul produce from LA to her farm in Santa Mateo. That's an hour and some drive.
With a car.
Look, the first American to enter California was explorer and frontiersman Jedediah Smith. He's touched everything in the U.S. Every town has a Jedediah Smith in it.
Maybe it's the same one.
Whoa. Would you rather travel in that or in style in that?
I'd rather be in that.
I would hurt riding in that for too long. I'd rather be in that.
That might be true, actually. That looks like something Carmen Sandiego did there.
Exchange that hat for the big
red hat.
Yeah. Feet work. My feet wouldn't fit in that. That's a fly trap that he supposedly caught 4 million flies in 1 month.
A fly trap that huge?
Yep.
Jeez.
He was paid $10 per week during fly season as a city employee. Creek, the hydrant. It says early hydroelectric power houses were noisy. This room once had a door and gave workers a place to get away from the constant sound. Push this button to hear what it was like.
That's loud.
Look, and it was called a doghouse. So the doghouse used to be a good thing to get peace and get away from all the noise and get some peace and quiet.
Huh.
Interesting.
I like that one over there. I don't know why. I like that one. Just intriguing. Small little head, small little arms.
Small. These things are long.
But look how skinny and...
It looks like a shocked panther. That looks like my mom when she was younger. With all the mascara. Or the eyelash. The mascara on the eyelashes.
Wow, they would really travel a lot just to trade. All the stuff that they would trade. They must have had an awesome cabinet of curiosities.
He'd be sitting right there and he would be like brushing off the dirt or something off of one of the fossils. He'd be working on a fossil and you'd be able to see him.
Hey, look at it.
Ponies. They're mini fun-size ponies.
What's this?
It's called the Old Woman Meteorite, and it was found in the Old Woman Mountains of the Mojave Desert. It originally weighed 6,070 pounds. That's a heavy old woman.
I think they meant a meteorite.
Oh. That's a heavy meteorite.
That is massive. Look at that. Could you imagine having to hunt something like that?
With only a spear?
Yeah. And a rock.
That's definitely a way to the manhood.
And then those terrifying guys up there.
They're just overgrown puppies. They just want a hug. But this is a mastodon track.
What is this?
Mastodon footprint. You fill it up more than I do.
Sea life. Prehistoric sea life.
Which one do you think is a lunapis?
A lunatus?
Lunapis. Lunapis.
Lunapis.
Lunapis.
That's what it says. Lunapis.
I think the lunapis is that little itty bitty one over there on the left. Which one do you think?
Go for it. Oh. Wrong.
Okay, which is the big one? The big
big
giant
one is...
It's a Mimi.
I'm gonna go with this, whatever that says.
Cheratite. Oh, no.
Oh, it's an even smaller one.
I'm gonna go with this because it sounds like it's gigantic.
Go-go.
The Gogonosis.
Nope. Let's see. Got it.
You got it.
I don't even know what I got.
Holly branch of pie. Are you sure it's that one? What if it's that little? No, it's the little one in front of it.
Oh.
How about we just leave them on and this way we know what we've got.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go.
Manosticileba.
So that's the big one.
Look at that creepy eyeball. Zoom in on those teeth. That is a creepy looking guy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I would name it Snuffy. It looks like he's snuffing around everywhere.